How do upcycling and downcycling impact sustainable building materials? Imagine turning old bricks into new walls or transforming scrap metal into stylish fixtures. These are real ways that recycling shapes the future of eco-friendly building materials. When we talk about sustainable architecture, how materials are recycled matters a lot. Upcycling and downcycling are two different methods that influence how sustainable our building choices can be. Upcycling takes waste materials and turns them into new products of equal or higher quality. For example, old concrete from demolished buildings can be crushed and reused as new concrete blocks. This process keeps the material's value high and reduces the need for virgin raw materials. It also cuts down on energy use because it takes less energy to reuse existing materials than to produce new ones from scratch. Using reclaimed wood or steel in construction is another example. These materials can be cleaned, treated, and integrated into new buildings, helping to lower the carbon footprint. Upcycling supports the idea of a circular economy, where materials are kept in use for as long as possible, reducing waste and environmental impact. It also makes energy-efficient homes more feasible because it minimizes embodied energy, which is the energy used to produce building materials. Downcycling, on the other hand, changes waste materials into products of lower quality or value. For instance, turning high-grade wood into particle board or turning metal into lower-grade alloys. This process often requires energy to reprocess the materials and results in products that can't be reused again for the same purpose. While downcycling helps reduce landfill waste and limits the need for new raw materials, it doesn't support long-term reuse as well as upcycling. The materials eventually become waste after their secondary use, which limits their sustainability benefits. In sustainable building projects, upcycling is usually preferred because it preserves the material's original quality and allows for multiple reuse cycles. It also supports designing buildings that can be easily disassembled and have their parts reused later. Using recycled content materials that are upcycled can significantly lower the overall carbon footprint of a construction project. For example, choosing reclaimed wood or steel that has been upcycled reduces embodied energy and helps create homes that are more energy efficient. Downcycling still plays a role by conserving resources and reducing waste, but it is less ideal for long-term sustainability. It's a good option when upcycling isn't possible or practical, but it's not a substitute for the benefits of upcycling. When selecting materials, it's best to look for options that can be upcycled, like reclaimed wood, steel, or concrete. These materials support sustainable architecture by extending their life cycle and reducing the environmental impact. In the end, upcycling helps keep building materials in use longer, maintaining their quality and usefulness. It supports the creation of energy-efficient homes by lowering embodied energy and reducing the need for new raw materials. Downcycling can help manage waste and conserve resources temporarily, but it doesn't offer the same long-term benefits. Choosing upcycled, recycled content materials is a smart move for anyone interested in creating eco-friendly, energy-efficient buildings.